Hmm. Okay. Okay. All right, so you might be wondering why this video is separate from the last video, and I'll tell you. Ugh. First of all, we made it safely. Wonderful. I got fat fingers apparently because 5 minutes before I got to this destination, that 4-hour drive in the rain, I tried taking the charger out of the what do you call it, the phone, and I guess I hit back, and that just negates everything. Well, I mean, I still got the 4-hour video, so that's no loss there, but it definitely wasn't my intention to close out the video before it was ready. But it's fine. We made it. That's great. We're just gonna make lemons out of lemonade. I may have gotten that quote backwards. I mean, while I've got your attention, thank you for watching. Thanks for the coffee. I appreciate it. All the donations. It's going towards something good. I've been thinking about saving up for a mic, like one of those Bluetooth mics, and having it separate from this camera so you can stop hearing me breathe and eat, you know, because it's right into my face. the camera. I mean, it's like literally right next to my mouth. So whenever I make the slightest noise, you can hear it, and it's not my favorite way. I want better quality audio, as well as video. Yeah, I'm gonna try to upload these as often as I can. Right now, like this week has been pretty good. I've been going pretty steadily. But there's no guarantee that I always get, every day. So just bear in mind that I am a human and not every trip is perfect. So keep that in mind. I will do my best, and I appreciate all the support. Is there anything else I wanted to say before I hit this gym up and upload this video? That's another thing. Like I said before, these donations really help out a lot, because they're going towards, like, I'm trying to get Wi-Fi for the truck so I don't have to going to the gym is a pretty good excuse to, upload these videos. But I don't want to have to do that. I've left my phone in gyms overnight, and while I slept, which isn't the best. So I've been going for a while now, so I'll leave you with that. This video is short anyway, so I guess it's just like an update video. And yeah, apologies for the shut off from yesterday's or whenever I upload the last video. Anyway, we'll figure it out. Everything's fine. Until next time, thank you very much.